How to backup music and audio to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, insert USB drive. After insert USB drive, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on accounts and backup. After click on accounts and backup, you will see click on internal storage and transfer. After click on internal storage and transfer, click on your device. After click on USB and click on custom. After click on custom, scroll down to end. You will see second last option is audio. Click on audio and click on backup. You will see backup music audio is USB is backup. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup music and Android to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.